found more on the Hurricane Center here. So we got some to talk about. So here's our update. Right now, Oregon is now passing Mississippi and maybe in Louisiana as a tropical storm. Also, it's at 60 miles per hour and gusts over 70 cities. Now it's going up north. Florence is a category 1 storm. Show it, but if you go look on the side, it should say it's a category 1, but if it's a category 2, then you guys can let me know in the comments. Now let's go on to tropical waves that we have here for you. But you can already tell that this one's going to be Helene, since we're in the G's, then we just got past the F, the G's, and then the H, because you know A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so we're probably going to be in the H's, and this one right here, this tropical wave that's on a 40 or 60% chance of cyclone formation is going to be Helene, so you better watch out for that. Also, I hope you all like this Spot Hurricane series. If you really think it's up to date on what's happening, make sure you guys leave a like. Now, we're going to talk about a little bit in the eastern North Pacific. Now, there's been a bunch of hurricanes and cyclones forming over there. So, we have a tropical wave, as always, because they form a lot. Hurricane Olivia is a category 1. Olivia is category 2. I have to check in a few hours. And then if you go over to the other side, you can also see Norman is also a category 3 or 4 hurricane. I don't know. It's been a while since I checked, so you might need to check that for me too. It's a category 1. Okay, so I was wrong there. So that's how you stay up to date. Hawaii, you need to watch out for that. And also, hope you guys like Spot Hurricane. If you think it's a unique way of telling you what the hurricanes and where they're going to strike, make sure you guys like the video. And also, if you have hurricanes and when Hurricane Helene forms, then let me know and I'll make a video about it.